This is the Ocún Condor carabiner. Its main features are independent internal wire gate, perfect ergonomic shape and enough space for rope manipulation, and rope-friendly profile. The carabiner is equipped with an independent internal wire gate, which prevents the carabiner from rotating, getting into wrong dangerous carabiner positions, and guards against unwanted release from a belay loop. In contrast with other producers, the internal gate of Ocún Condor locks in the right direction, which prevents upward release. This is very important and a big advantage against other similar products. This is the proper way of prevention against unwanted unclipping from the belay loop and rotating and getting into a dangerous position. This allows a full concentration on belaying and giving full focus and attention to the climber. Regarding the ergonomic shape, it is a big carabiner allowing comfortable, handy and secure grip. It fits perfectly into the hand without any risk of falling. It offers a big gate opening and enough space for rope and belay device manipulation in the HMS area. And also in the harness belay loop area. It has a key lock, which is a user-friendly standard now. Another big advantage is its rope-friendly profile in the upper part. There is no material reduction, neither for design nor for weight purposes. We keep the full oval profile to avoid excessive wear and possible sharp edges. For enhancement of passive safety, we added the locking mark for the twist lock gate.